So we're here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing, actually not installing, but the homeowner called us up, let us know the hot and the cold wasn't working right. They had the turn the faucet on, and the hot came on first, and then you turn the cold on, or turn the faucet farther to the left. As you can see, it's labeled hot, cold, off. And so he noticed that when he turned it on, the first what he got was hot water. Well, so we dug in there. It's got a little few fussy things in there, but we got it apart, and of course the cartridge is upside down, which is great. It's always great when the copper or the plumbing is not plumbed backward in the wall. So we just took the cartridge out, slipped it back in. It's good to go. Got the trim back together. Unfortunately, like we showed you in our previous video when we came out here to set this hydro rail, this valve is cocked in there pretty extreme. You can see from the top, I mean, it's in there so crooked. It's about a ½ inch, you know, it's touching over here. The valve is touching on this side. The flange, the grout flange or the mud flange, it's touching the wall here, about a ½ inch away from the wall here. So it's literally, I don't know how you describe it, it's in the wall at an angle. Anyway, so that's how the trim's set. So as you can see how there's a big gap on the left side and not on the right. That's the angle of the valve, which is unfortunate, but that's all you can do. So everything's back together, everything's working, and additionally we put a little rubber gasket in there. Homeowner came in and changed this hand sprayer out. He didn't like the one that came with the Kohler slide rail, so he changed it out, had some leaking up here, grabbed an O-ring, put it in there, not an O-ring, but a flat rubber gasket, put it in there. It's not leaking, so everything else looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.